How to make an NGL link in your Facebook profile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an NGL link in your Facebook profile. Firstly, open the NGL app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, you can get it from the Play Store or App Store. Once you're in, tap on Copy Link. Once the link is copied, close the NGL app and open the Facebook application. Now, tap on Menu on your top right. Then, go to your profile. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Links section. Tap on Add Given right next to it. Now here, tap on Add Website. In the website address, paste the link that you have copied from the NGL app. Tap on Save from your top right to save these changes. Now, go back to your profile. As you can see, the NGL link has been added. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.